Are you new to Doordash? Are you trying to figure out which orders to accept? What is a profitable order? What is miles to money ratio? What's a hidden tip? Well, you're in the right place. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. We help you maximize on this channel. So if you need additional help, also offers tips and tricks in this gig economy. First order of the day, we got a Chick-fil-A order. Let's see, this one came in at, go ahead and check it out real quick. This order came in at $6.25 for 3.3 miles. Got it right there. But they also sent me a couple bad offers before this. So before we get into that, welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps, Doordash, Walmart, Uber Eats. Let's get it. I got my food dudes bag, so I'm ready to go. I prefer using that because it just looks better with my outfit. So we're gonna rock it like that today. Let's get that food in the hot bag and let's head to our first delivery. But first, I want to say thank you for clicking on this video. Thanks for watching this video, and we're gonna get off to a good start today. But look at this. These are the types of offers DoorDash try to hit you with. $14.25 for 12 miles. Can't take it. That's a 24-mile round trip taking me outside of my zone. And then before that, we had $8.75 for 7.3. Now that's not the worst offer, and it is from restaurants down there, but that's not the direction I'm headed. That's the beauty of being an independent contractor. You can choose where you want to go, and you can choose when you want to make money and pretty much how much you want to make depending on what offers are presented. The first offer they sent me was $5.75 for 4 miles, and that miles to money ratio is 1-to-1, but I was looking for something a little bit better. Now, I did do a little bit of Walmart Spark this. Order on Walmart Spark came in, I think it said $18 for 4 miles. I'll throw up a little screenshot right here, but it had alcohol on their delivery. And for all my new Walmart Spark drivers out there, when you're doing alcohol delivery, you have to verify the customer's age, right? Because you don't want to be giving alcohol to minors and whatnot. We all know that. When you verify their age, you got two options. You can do it the manual option, or you can do the scanning option. Now, I want to warn you, the scanner does not always work in the Walmart Spark app when you're trying to scan the customer's ID, but it's a good little tool when it does work. Sometimes you will have to, ooh, that tractor is loud. Sometimes you will have to manually input the customer's information, you know, mark if it's a driver's license, or is it a state ID, you know, or is it a passport card. Then you'll have to manually enter all the customer's information, including their birth date and the expiration date of said document that they're using for verification. But fingers crossed, you don't have to go through that, and the scanner just works, because when it works perfectly, and it uploads all the information all at one time easily, and all you have to do is just double check it and confirm. So I like it when the scanning option works, but that's a heads up right there. It don't always work. But we did get that order done, $18, 4 miles, 2 drop-offs, and now I'm on order number 2. This Chick-fil-A order, $6.25, I believe it said, for 3.3 miles. 6-mile round trip altogether, but the thing is, it's so early in the morning that there's not a lot of great offers out here, as you can see by those first couple ones they sent me. So we right here on the boulevard. We finna head on up. I think let me check my GPS. I think we're going up the road about 2 miles. No, actually 1 mile, because I'm on the road now. So we're going 1 mile, 1 mile up the road, 2 estimated delivery time. Let's get it. Next up, just got my next order, $7.50 at Alibi Cookies, and we leaving right now. I got the cookies already, got them in the bag, and we heading out. Now, this one is a great order because they actually let me back on the DoorDash schedule. My dash ended, and I only did that one order, $6.25 for 3 miles at Chick-fil-A. That was the only order I got for that first DoorDash shift, and the schedule was pretty full. You know, it didn't say it was gonna be any available spots until later on this afternoon. No, actually later on this evening at about 5 p.m. But I got lucky, guys. I was able to slide right on in, and they let me on this right back on the schedule after ending my dash at 11:30. So now I'm back on for a whole nother hour. And as soon as they let me back on, they gave me that great offer, $7.50, heading back in the direction I was already working. And that's leads me into my next point. So a lot of times, you know, you might check DoorDash schedule be full, especially in the climate that we in right now with the current oversaturation that all markets are experiencing on the DoorDash platform. It's important that you stay very vigilant and you do your own due diligence, right? So when you out there doing deliveries and the schedule is full, what you do is you stay on that app. You stay popping it open so you can see what's going on. And 9 times out of 10, you might be able to slide on in and get you a spot, because what you got to realize is the schedule was full. But by me steady checking it, I knew somebody was gonna either end their dash, forget they scheduled a dash, or something of the sort. I knew it was gonna be some kind of way that I'd be able to fit in if I just stay vigilant. Sure enough, somebody ended their dash or somebody got a dash deleted and I was able to slide in there. Now I got me a whole nother hour time slot to make some money. And I'm happy with it. And the thing is, they sent me this little fire order. As soon as I hit dash now, I ain't even have time to hit the check boxes or nothing. It sent me this order right away. That's how I knew it was good. And then to make it, to put the cherry on top, they might be showing me full trip transparency on this order because they gave me the old offer screen. DoorDash got a brand new offer screen where they hiding all the information. They hiding the item count, they hiding the customer name, they make it look different so you know, the text is smaller so you can't really get the information as quick as you used to. Now they did kind of line it up a little bit better, but a lot of times when I see the old offer screen, that's the full tip that they showing me, which is great for me. It's a great indicator to like know, okay, if I see that old offer screen, it's a good chance that this order is showing me the full tip amount, and I like that. Vice versa with the new offer screen, a lot of times it'll say, you know, guaranteed, and that's a good indication that look, this order is gonna stay exactly where it's at. It's not gonna go up. It's not gonna be no hidden tips on this one. Now we got a 4-minute drive down the road to drop this one off, 1.9 miles, and guess what? It's taking me right back to that Chick-fil-A where I picked the first one. Can you even believe it? Man, I feel sorry for you if you going for Top Dasher because it is hell week. Today is the 25th. Is today the 25th? Today the 25th. Look, take a look at these offers right here. We got $7.45 for 7 miles. Top Dashers take orders like that, especially during hell week. Next up, $6, 5.1 miles. Don't take offers like these, guys. I'm trying to tell you. Then look at this next one, man. This one hurt my soul. $11.50, 8 miles. 16-mile round trip. And then this order right here, Hawaiian Bros, $5.64, 5.8 miles. 5.8 miles, $5. That's all you get. Look, good luck if you're going for Top Dasher because I don't know if being able to dash now is worth it. I know a lot of people in the comment section be saying, you know, they don't see those kind of orders and they Top Dasher and they don't go to Wingstop and they don't have to see all them lowball orders. They is capping. I'm gonna tell you right now, they capping because you definitely see them orders if you Top Dasher. So me, I took this order right here, $4.25, 2 miles, Chick-fil-A order. I'm right back at Chick-fil-A, and this one going right across the street to that shopping plaza right over there. So I took it. It's very important that you continually check that schedule when you out here trying to make that money because something may open up for you. I was able to extend this dash by 30 more minutes. So now I got more time on the schedule, more time to make more money, and that's what I like. See, I don't like to go for Top Dasher or play by them rules. You know, you got to do all this to just be able to work. If I'm supposed to be an independent contractor, that means I should be able to work when I want, how I want. So this was the last order right here, $4.75, 2 miles at McDonald's. Or was that McDonald's? No, it's Chick-fil-A. $4.75, 2 miles, Chick-fil-A. I knocked that out. Then the next order they sent me, $13.75 for 9.1 miles, and we declined that one because we ain't playing that game. Then the next one, this one was the old offer screen, so I feel like they were showing me the full tip on this one. $11, 10 miles, double order at Chipotle. Take a look at it. I was good on that one. Then after that, we got another order, $9, 8 miles. You know, nice little 1-to-1 miles money ratio, taking you down towards some more restaurants at. But I got things I got to do, so I ain't trying to drive 9 miles away. Next order we got was $11.88 for 11 miles. That one was a stack. Wingstop and Freddy's. See, that's 2 places where you might be waiting for a nice little minute. So I let it go. Trader ain't playing none of that. Next one was a reverse miles to money ratio. So look, all my new dashers out there, don't take orders, especially like this. If you happen to take the other ones, I know sometimes we can make a reason, you know, maybe we multi-apping or we heading home or we heading in a direction. I get it. But this order right here, never take this order. $8.25, 9.4 miles. Reverse miles to money ratio. So like, that's just, you basically deliver, that's worse than delivering for free. You paying to deliver that order to that customer. And then the same thing with this one. But see, at least this one is a stack. So it may be some potential for some, you know, greatness to happen on this one, but $12.38 for 12 miles, you know, if you don't get nothing else, that's a 24-mile round trip. So I wouldn't take it, that's me. I took this one right here, $5.25, 2.7, and most of that distance is going to the McDonald's. So we here now. I'm right here in this McDonald's parking spot, but I'm about to slide in here because they be having them ready. Well, that order was ready to go, so I got no complaints there. Let's get this McDonald's dropped off. Alrighty, guys, next order, we got $11.50 for, what's that, 8.1 miles? I say, you know what, I'll take that. But let's look at a couple of the orders they sent me before this, because they was quite crazy. And as y'all know, it's no tip, no trip all day long. Now, I took this one because I got a Walmart Spark order that's going in the same direction. But look at this order right here. $8.63 for 11 miles? Nah, man, we can't do that. Not over here, not on this channel. $13 for 9 miles? Now, that's not a bad one, but it was a stack. It's actually 2 orders on there. So I was like, I'm good. I might could have made that one work, but I didn't have a Walmart Spark order, so I didn't want to take a chance getting that order and having to do it by itself. Next order, $8.50 for 11.4 miles at McDonald's. Now, I've been there already today, and they moving kind of fast, but not fast enough for me to accept reverse miles to money ratio. Next up, they sent me $10.25 for 11 miles. And again, reverse miles to money ratio. These are types of orders where you're going to lose money on. You're going to be delivering for free. Next up, we got $4 for 5 miles. That's an alcohol delivery, so it's even extra disrespect on that one. That's a free order right there. You're delivering for free. $6.75, 11 miles. Now, you might get made a lot of orders down there, but for me, at this time of day, I can't take that chance. So you know what? That's a reverse miles to money ratio order that I will happily decline. Then let's see, before that, I did the McDonald's order, $5.25, 2.7. And as you can see, that's much more reasonable. And that's the order that allowed me to stay within my zone. But now I'm on this $11 order. It's gonna take me a little bit out of my zone, but I accepted it because I got a Walmart Spark order. And that's pretty much how you gotta do it when you out here trying to maximize, you know. It's gonna be slow times and slow periods. And you know, we can deal with that. But when it starts to pick up, then you can expand your parameters a little bit, and you know, you can multi-app and stack a couple orders together going in the same direction so you can get the most out of the miles you're already gonna be driving. So now we finna head on over to Walmart to pick up this stack. Alrighty, made it to our Chipotle delivery. We did 2 Walmart Spark orders, one for $19.98 and another for $18.96. And we did 4 separate dashes on Doordash. One for $11.50, one for $17.50, and one for $6.25, I believe. You know what? So 3 dashes. But all in all, we were able to make $74.15. Let's get it. And you know what? I'm cool with that because it's time for me to go home, take a break, get me something to eat. I haven't even got nothing to eat yet all day. Wait, yes, I did. I had some Jack in the Box earlier. Wow. Doing all those deliveries make me spend a little bit of energy because my tummy is empty again. So it's time for Trader to go eat. But look, these are the types of orders that you're going to see, especially during Hell Week on DoorDash. You know, me, myself, personally, I'm not doing none of that no more. I don't advise you to, but if you do, I'm not going to hold it against you because do what works for you. You know, in the past, Top Dash used to work for me when I tried it out to get larger the program. So, you know, maybe you need it for whatever your situation is now. You know, you got a saturated zone, you need Dash now. Whatever the case may be, just make sure you out there maximizing. But for all my cherry pickers, look, this is the time right now. Don't take no low offers. Let them Top Dashers take all their trash and we getting all the money for real. And look, if you multi-apping, you winning. But look, I'm your boy, Dash and Trader FDA. If you enjoying this video, make sure you check out my next one. And while you at it, go ahead and scroll through my catalog and check out all my videos. Because guess what? I'm trying to get that YouTube money. So I need your help. And you might as well check out this next video to keep that help going. I'll see you in the next one.